At those moments when you feel like doing nothing, when you feel frustrated and angry, discouraged and tired, do one thing: rest. Rest in the Lord. Rest in His grace. Rest in His peace. Rest in His word. I assure you, the whirlwind will cease, the storm will calm, the light will return. Your hope will be restored. You will not be left alone. The Lord in His grace and mercy will make things work for you. He will bring His goodness to you again. You will find light again. You will see His mighty hands again. Things will work out for you. Trust the Lord. Believe His word. Do not worry or feel anxious about your future. It is already settled. It is done and perfected just for you. He has made all things beautiful in His time. So rest. It is well with your soul. Read next. Here's what I want to tell you. Will you like to write a book? Share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Making sense of our strengths. 2. The role of Africa in the ongoing wars. 3. Africa's nuclear weapon. 4. Democracy is a scam in Africa. Here's what works. L1. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments.